Hello friends, welcome to Easy Learn. In this video of Standard 7 General Science, we are going to see the question answers of Chapter 7 Motion, Force and Work. So let's proceed with the question answers. Question 1. Fill in the blanks with the proper words. First, if a body traverses a distance in direct proportion to time, the speed of the body is constant. If a body is moving with a constant velocity, its acceleration is zero. Speed is a scalar quantity. Velocity is the distance traveled by a body in a particular direction in unit time. The unit of acceleration is meter per second square. Distance is a scalar quantity. Match the columns. Question, work, answer, joule, erg. Force, Newton and dyne. Displacement, meter, centimeter. Define the following. First, motion. If the position of an object changes with respect to its surrounding, then the object is said to be in motion. Second, speed. It is the distance covered by a body in unit time. Its unit is meter per second or centimeter per second. And the formula to calculate speed is equal to distance covered upon time taken. Third, velocity. The distance traveled by a body in a particular direction in unit time is called velocity. Its unit is meter per second. The formula is velocity is equal to displacement upon the time taken. Fourth, acceleration. The change in velocity with respect to time is called acceleration. Its unit is meter per second square. And the formula is acceleration is equal to change in velocity upon time. Fifth, energy. The capacity of the body to do work is called energy. Observe the figure and answer the following questions. First, what is meant by distance? Answer. The actual length traveled by a moving body while going from one point to the other is called distance. Second, what is meant by displacement? Answer. The minimum distance traveled by a moving object in one direction between the original point and the final point is called displacement. Question 3. Calculate the distance. Now in this figure, distance is traveled through the route AB, BC and CD. So answer, distance is equal to AB plus BC plus CD, that is 500 meters plus 700 meters plus 300 meters. Hence, distance is equal to 1500 meters. Calculate the displacement. Now displacement is the minimum distance. So displacement is AD, that is 1000 meters. Observe the figure and answer the questions. First, calculate the distance traveled by Sachin and Sameer. So in this figure, the distance traveled from A to E is A to B, B to C, C to D and D to E. Therefore, answer is distance is equal to AB plus BC plus CD plus DE is equal to 3 kilometers plus 4 kilometers plus 5 kilometers plus 3 kilometers. Therefore, the total distance is 15 kilometers. Calculate the displacement. Answer. Displacement is equal to AB plus BD plus DE. That is equal to 3 plus 3 plus 3. Hence, displacement is 9 kilometers. Third, deduce the speed. Answer. Speed of the motorbike from A to E is equal to total distance from A to E divided by total time taken from A to E, which is equal to 15 upon 1, that is 15 km per hour. Fourth question, continued. Deduce the velocity. The velocity of the motorbike from A to E is equal to total displacement from A to E upon time taken from A to E, which is equal to 9 upon 1, that is equal to 9 km per hour. Fifth, can this velocity be called average velocity? Answer, yes, this can be called the average velocity of the motorbike from A to E. Is an extra question where you have to write the formulas of speed, velocity, and to write the quantities. So here you have quantity, its formula, and the units. Speed, the formula is distance upon time, unit is meter per second. Velocity, formula is displacement upon time, unit is meter per second. Acceleration, formula is change in velocity upon time, unit is meter per second square. Force, formula is mass into acceleration, units is Newton or dyne. Work, formula is force into displacement, and the units is joule or erg. A bird sitting on a wire flies, circles around, comes back to its perch. Explain the total distance it traveled during this flight and its eventual displacement. Answer, the total distance the bird has traveled is the length of the distance covered by circling, but the eventual displacement of the bird is zero as its initial and final position are one and the same. Explain the following concepts in your own words with everyday examples. First, force. It is any kind of push or pull on a body due to another body when the bodies interact with each other. It is a vector quantity. For example, a person applies a force in the form of push or pull to open the door. A ball is rolling from A to D on a flat and a smooth surface. Its speed is 2 cm per second. On reaching D, it was pushed continuously up to C. On reaching D from C, its speed had become 4 cm per second. It took 2 seconds for it to go from B to C. What is the acceleration of the ball as it goes from B to C? Solution. The acceleration of the ball between A to B is 0 as the speed and direction of the ball is constant. After point B, a force is applied. Thus, the ball will get accelerated. So, acceleration of the ball from B to C is equal to change in velocity from B to C upon time taken for this change. The acceleration of the ball from B to C is equal to 4 minus 2 upon 2, which is equal to 1 meter per second. Solve the following problems. First, a force of 1000 Newton was applied to stop a car that was moving with a constant velocity. The car, after moving through 10 meters, it stopped. How much is the work done? So in this case, force is given as 1000 Newton. Displacement is given S as 10 meters. We have to find work. So the formula for work is W is equal to force into displacement, that is F into S. Therefore solution is W is equal to Fs. Force is given 1000 newtons. Displacement is 10 meters. So the answer is therefore work done is 10,000 Newton meter or 10,000 joule. Joule is one more unit for work. A cart with mass 20 kg went 50 meters in a straight line on a plain and smooth road when a force of 2 Newton was applied to it. How much work was done by the force? Now in this case, force is given 2 Newton. Displacement is given 50 meter. We have to find work. The formula is work is equal to force into displacement. Solution. Work is equal to force into displacement. Therefore work is equal to 2 Newton into 15 meter. Therefore the work done W is equal to 100 Newton meter or 100 joule. Thank you.